A very good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. One down, Minister of State for Mashonaland East Province has been fired. Remember, this is the home ground of Vice President Chiwenga, and questions are being asked, is this firing linked to VP Chiwenga? And it's very, very interesting. So according to Nick Mangwana, he says, removal from office of Honorable Apollonia Munzverengwi as the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Mashonaland East Province. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, has, in terms of Section 108(1)(a) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, removed Honorable Apollonia Munzverengwi from the office of Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Mashonaland East Province with immediate effect. Dr. M. Rushwaya, the Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, issued a letter. And this is the press statement which was issued by Dr. M. Rushwaya. So this is what is happening at this point in time. This is the 11th of February 2025. And we've said one down. And this is the home ground of Vice President Chiwenga. We will be watching to see if there is anything linked to General. So in replacement, another person has been appointed. This is Honorable Itai Ndudzo, appointed as the Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Mashonaland East Province. And His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, has, in terms of Section 104, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, appointed Honorable Itai Ndudzo as Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Mashonaland East Province with immediate effect. So this is what is happening, and this is the announcement. This is the press statement right here from Dr. Rushwaya. So this is the picture of Vandudzo, and he has replaced Apollonia Munzverengwi. Remember, March East is very, very critical in whatever which happens, because this is where Guru hails from. So it's becoming more interesting, and regiment says, who dares to question the number one headmaster? Ameno Zinganai Ikoko. Eddie says, it is being reported that the fired Apollonia Munzverengwi is a relative of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Kindly confirm. Okay, so it's very, very interesting. This is Apollonia Munzverengwi, and it seems as if the paging will continue slowly but surely. We are likely going to see more people biting the dust as these pagings continue to happen. Okay, Marvin Gumbra says, what do these people serve honestly? What benefit do they add to our economy? Ministers of state are just a waste of resources. Okay, so Anze Taura kuti chichaitika Apollonia Munzverengwi abvisirwei. Okay, so very, very interesting, guys. We are not so sure why she has been removed, but according to rumors, she has been removed for her loyalty to the general. Those are rumors. So Muronza Lamek says, what are the reasons for her removal from office? March East will not endorse the 2030 nonsense. Kusia Kwagarwe. We stand with the Soko Mukanya. Okay. Bosalani says, Comrade Geza should deliver the final push. Okay. And being a Marondera resident, I have heard stories of how corrupt the lady was. Okay, so this is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. Isisu chedu kuya tichitaura sezvazviri mamiriro azvakaita ngavapedzerane ikoko vapedzane kupati kwavo.